Had the big one on, and man, I would've got him. But he took my pole straight down to the bottom, leaving me with nothing but a big old story to tell. All hell, a bad day of fishing beats a good day of anything else.
Hey everybody, this is Tony Page, the Fishing Fanatic, coming at you once again. This time I'm doing my little intro right in front of my computer because yesterday I took a very good friend of mine, Mark, and his son Benjamin out for their very first ever crappie fishing adventure. And we had some pretty good luck, had a good time out there. When I got back and downloaded all the videos onto my computer, I realized that the little intro shot I did out on the water did not come through. So that's why I'm doing it here. Benjamin has been trying to learn as much as he can about fishing. He's been watching some of my videos as well as others. And he just loves the fact that I'm the fishing fanatic. And he's turned out to be quite the little fishing machine himself. So that's kind of a nickname I gave him. I'm the fishing fanatic. He's the fishing machine. And he proved himself to be just that. So stay tuned. We got some real good action. He got some real nice fish. And I'm pretty sure he had a really good time. There you go. Tear his lips off. Keep the rod tip. There you go.
Oh, there he is.
Show us how the professionals do it.
He's dragging him in.
Oh, looks like he caught my other line. That's okay. Keep reeling him in. Gotta hold that in.
There you go. Bring him right up here. It's a decent one.
Ah, look at that.
Look at that guy.
You want to hold him?
Yeah.
It's like a bass. They don't have teeth.
Show the camera. Crappie number one.
There you go.
You gotta kiss it.
No! Why would I kiss a fish?
I don't know. Just fishing machine strikes again.
The fishing machine. He is putting on a clinic already. Look at that. That's a nice one. You grab him by the lip. Watch the hook.
Oh yeah, that's a fish.
Ooh, look at that. He's surfing right up on top. That's probably a crappie. And it's probably not a crappie crappie. It's probably a nice crappie. Is that what your sister called it? A crappie crappie?
That's what I called it.
That's what you were calling your dad, a crappie fisherman. Or a crappie fisherman.
Probably the world's crappiest fisherman.
No, the world's biggest.
Bring him over to the side.
Yeah, bring him around to the side. Keep reeling him a little
Over
bit
here,
more.
bud. Yeah, use the rod instead. Bring him over here. There you go.
Yeah, that's a little guy.
Whoa!
Grab him by the lip. Yeah, we'll let him go. Down he goes. Put up a good fight. There he is.
Oh, look at him.
He knows the fishing machine is up there. Yeah,
Right.
He doesn't want to come in. He's no dummy. Yeah, he put up a good fight. All right, bring it right up to the side of the boat. Oh, got my other line, but that's okay. Ooh, that's a nice one too. Nope, bring him, pull it right up this way. There you go.
Look at that guy.
That is huge. Whoa!
Whoa.
Pop right off. All right, another good line out there.
Another fish.
Watch that hook. Swing the rod over. Wow. That's probably the biggest one. That's the biggest crappie yet. Uh-oh. You got one on that rod too.
Oh.
You got a double.
Oh, I see it.
Look at the size of that one.
Wow.
Thing's a monster.
That is big. That is.
Look at that guy.
Big. We're gonna measure him. We're gonna measure him. That's 14.5 inches.
Wow.
14.5 inches.
Whoa.
Pretty good.
You get your picture with him?
Another one jumped.
You want your picture with that one?
Nah, we'll let him
Nah,
go. We're gonna
we
let
don't-
him
we don't
go.
want
We'll
him
let
to-
Get him back in the water. Yeah, go.
Another one
Get him
jumped.
back in the water.
Oh, he's trying to shake it off.
Pull right up to me. Lift the rod tip up. Bring him over this way.
That's a big one.
That's another big one too. Oh,
Oh.
yeah, he shook that up too. Good for him. Get him back in the water so he can breathe better. Got a good one? He is surfing right up on top.
Just shut off.
Oh,
Oh.
that one doesn't count. That's all right. Even the professionals lose them now and then. Go post. All right, Benjamin's hooked up again. The fishing machine is putting on a clinic. Oh, did he come off again? Well, that's all right. Again, even the professionals lose them now and then. Go for it.
There's the fish move.
Is that where the fish are up there?
Yeah, they're up here.
Well, it's slowed down a little bit. Still got another hour or so of daylight. Hopefully the evening bite will pick up. Get hooked into a couple of more. Had a pretty good day so far.
Here. Oh, there.
There, okay, just reel him. Don't jerk him though. Just reel him steady. Oh, you're making this look easy today. Okay, walk forward a little bit. Ooh!
Still there.
There he is. All right. Wow, that's another nice one.
Whoa.
Look at that. On the, what do you call that? The Crappie Max?
Bumblebee.
All right. Ooh,
That's what it called.
there's another nice one. Good job.
Perfect.
Ooh, he's way back there.
Yeah, right.
Got about a half a mile of line out on that one. Fish on. Isn't that what your sister says?
Okay, there you go.
Fish on. He's using the Jimi Hendrix tactic with the reeled it upside down and backwards. Oh, he just switched. Oh. Not that he knows who Jimi Hendrix is, but Tony taught him how to play guitar.
That's it. Uh-oh, hung up on the other one. Wait a minute. Which way are we? Oh, there you go. Okay, there you go. Bring it right up. Reel it in a little bit more. There it is. A little forward. Ah, that's just a little one. Oh, come on. Yeah, you should be embarrassed to be catching a little fish like that. I thought you were only catching the trophies.
That is a little guy. That's
Yeah.
all right.
We'll let him grow up some more. We'll catch him another time. All right, I think we're going to wrap it up for today. We actually had a pretty good day. We got quite a few fish. I think Benjamin had some fun out here. You have some fun, Benjamin?
Yeah.
All right. You have some fun, Dad?
Yes, absolutely. The crappy fisherman strikes again.
All right, so that's what it's all about, getting the kids out, having a good time. So until next time, see ya. Well, just as I did the sign off, there's Benjamin, the professional that he is, hooked up on another one. We're running out of daylight, but he's still pulling them right in. Well, that's another pretty nice one. Not a monster, but they're all fun to catch, right?
Kind of decent.
Pinch them tight.
Okay.
There you go.
I fish.
Good job.
Gross.
Give the old man a high five.
High fives.
All right.
Fish guts.
Bet you're going fishing all of the time, baby going fishing too. Bet your life, your sweet wife will catch more fish than you. Many fish bites if you got good bait. Here's a little tip that I would like to relate. Many fish bites if you got good bait. I'm a going fishing, yes, I'm going fishing, and my baby going fishing too. I went on down.